Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Codisa. I'm your host and problem solver Utpal, and today we'll be looking at lead code 35. It says search insert position. So first of all, let's read through the problem. Okay, so given a sorted array of distinct integers and a target value, return the index if the target is found. If not, if not, return the index where it would be if it were inserted in the order. Okay, so what it says is if the target is present in the list of numbers, then we have to return its position. So 0, 1, 2. So the index of 5 is 2. Okay. If it is not present, like 2 is not present in 1, 3, 5, 6. So we have to insert it, sort it, and then return its index. Okay. So like 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So 0 and 1. So 1 will be returned. Okay. So let's let's get started with the coding. Okay. So first of all, what we need to do is we have to check for if target in nums. So if it is true, then we just return nums dot index of target. Okay. So if it is not present or in the else part, what we need to do is like we have to add it like nums plus the target. So we insert it and then basically we sort it. Basically we sort it and then what we need to do is I don't think like this bracket is required. Okay, so nums plus target, it will basically insert that target into the nums and then it will be sorted using the sorted function. Then we need to find because sorted returns a new list, so we can use dot index on it, dot index of target, basically return it, and then we can use the return statement. Okay. So let's see if it works or not. So what we have done is we are looking for the target in nums. If it is present, then return the index of that target in the nums. If it is not present, we are inserting it like nums plus target. Basically, we have inserted it. Then we have sorted that. Once we have sorted that, it will be placed at the correct position. So we just return the index of the target. Okay, done it. Fine. So it is working as expected, 1356. So if it is present, okay, we'll try to run the other test case also, like 1356, and let's change it to 2 and then run it, test it out. Fine. So it is also working. So let us submit it. I hope it gets accepted. Great. It got accepted. So I hope you guys understood. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It will motivate me more. And we will meet again next time. Thank you.